Again, that's recording now.
Cool. Why are we recording? Because we're like that. Yeah, why not?
And should be all good right where it is, I think.
Come on, Phil. Phil! Phil! Come to that. What's that?
So how's your day been, boys?
Yeah, flash. Shiny. What do you call it there?
Any lights going to shine up there today?
Oh, Bear, we've got his room. Get in
Yeah,
there,
you
bro.
could, mate. Oh, yeah, a little bit at the top. I don't think you're really going to be able to avoid it though.
Lens clear cover.
Yeah, better. Right, probably up on the car at the back there, mate. Quade, I'm just going to drop in between you and thing there. You'll be right where you are.
Okay. Hopefully I don't shoot you on the head. Make sure your fingers off your trigger, not inside your guard. Just because it looks like you're holding the gun. The best way to do it is like that. Yeah. They're all gonna die.
Right, so fingers off triggers. 10 seconds.
6, everybody. 6. 5.
I'm married, forgot what it was. Hold.
Oh. Yes. Like my ass.
10 seconds.
Cake off my ass. What kind of cake?
Yeah, it was flashing last time.
I think we could be here for...
What's up? Hey boys! How's it going? Don't you love it when the bloody weather comes in?
Always. Yeah, mate, we're playing all weather.
Exactly.
Rain, snow.
I just insulate my G36. That's where G36s are really good.
Sit!
It's actually